This 2024 Airstream Flying Cloud 23 FBT is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Airstream of Central PA. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Airstream is 23 feet 9 inches in length and features a Seattle Mist with Sunlit Maple interior, sleeps 4, awning, auxiliary battery, external shower, DVD player, spare tire kit, water heater, microwave, refrigerator, smoke detector, stove top burner, and 37 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Airstream Flying Cloud 23 FBT is 5,276 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.